Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving the 31st problem and it says Jenga Night. So chef hosts a party for his birthday. There are young people at the party. All these young people decide to play Jenga, okay? There are X Jenga tiles available. In one round all the players pick one tile each and place it in the tower. So the game is valid if all the players have tile in each round. Okay, all the tiles are used at the end. Got it. So given n and x, find whether the game is valid. So yeah, it's easy only. I'll tell you how to do it. uh, Input format, first line will contain t, the number of test cases. So let's deal with the test case while t minus minus. So this will take care of all the test cases, and they're saying each test case contained a single line of input containing two space separated integers n and x, representing the number of people at the party and the number of available tiles respectively. Got it. There will be two integers n and x. So yeah, we are taking n and x. So now let's come to the example. They have given three test cases. In the first case, both n and x are 3. So let's understand. So yeah, so in the first example, n is 3 and x is also 3. Got it. So both n and x are 3. So basically what they're saying, there are 3 tiles and there are 3 people. So in one round, let's say round 1, in one round all the 3 people have to pick one tile. So all the 3 people will pick one tile, so there will be no tile remaining. So in round 1 only the game ends. Okay, so this is a valid. So as you can see, in round 1 game is valid and there are no tiles left. Okay, so this is the case. Now let's try to understand the second example. 4 and 2. This is interesting, you will understand now clearly. N is 4 and x is 2. So basically what they're saying is we have only 2 tiles, but in round 1, let's say there are 4 peoples. Only 2 people, people 1 and people 2, will get 2 tiles, but people 3 will not get any tile, people 4 will not get any tile. So in this case, as you can see, in the question they had said the game will be valid only if all the people gets the tile, and at the end the tile has to be not there. So in this case we'll have to return no. Okay. So if you see, let's take the third example. 2 4. So this is interesting. Now you will understand again clearly. N is 2, x is 4. So what they're saying is we have 4 tile. Got it. So there are 2 people in round 1. People 1 will take this tile, people 2 will take this tile. Okay, so now 2 tiles are remaining. Now in round 2, in round 1 people have taken one tile, so both the people, so there are 2 remaining. Now again p1 and p2 will take these 2 tiles, so this will go away, and at the end if you see there are 0 tiles, and it is such that in each round both the people got the tiles. So in this case we'll have to return yes. So how do we solve this? If you see, this is easy problem. We'll have to find x divided by n. Okay, sorry, x modulo n. X modulo n. If x modulo n has some value, so in that case like there are some of the tiles remaining, or in a round, like let's say for this example let's consider x is 2, modulo n is 4, which is 2. So if you see, what does this mean is that in any round there are 2 tiles which are remaining. Okay, that it indicates. So what they were saying is that in question no tiles should be remaining. But if you see this one, x modulo 4 n, this will be 4 modulo 2, which is 0. So in this case we'll have to return yes. If you say this one again, x modulo n, this will be 3 modulo 3, which is 0. Got it? Now let's try to code it up. I don't know, my voice is very low. So now you'll have to find if x modulo n we have. So in that case we'll have to return no, else we'll have to return yes. So let's try to run the code. So if we got yes, no, yes, let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted, so it was easy problem only. Basically what it was saying is that in each round all the players has to get one tile, and at the end no tile has to be remaining. That was the problem statement, and yeah, by doing this we could figure out the solution. So thank you guys for watching the video.